Okay, now here's a top tip for cleaning dead insects off plastic. In this case it's the plastic lens on my headlight, but it works equally as well on visors. Cheap and really easy. So all you need is a bottle of standard household window cleaner, a sheet of kitchen towel, hold the kitchen towel over your headlamp like that, or your visor, spray it, make sure it's stuck to the headlamp like that. There you go. And then you just want to leave that soaking. You can see the flies through it. You just want to leave that soaking for 10 minutes or so. And then 10 minutes or so later, take it off with a bit of a wiping motion. I need to just get your thumbnail into a couple of the more stubborn bugs. And there you have one clean, bug-free headlight. And like I say, that works equally as well for a plastic visor. Doesn't scratch it, doesn't ruin the plastic in any way, shape or form. It's quick, cheap and easy.